OpenAI just released a new model yesterday called GPT Realtime 2. I wanted to see how good it is, so I built a bunch of things with it. This live caption you are seeing right now is directly streaming back from the new real-time model. You can see it's both fast and pretty good. And this autopreso thing you are seeing.
Kun Chen posted this short demo, and the hook is simple. He talks, and the whiteboard builds the presentation by itself. The clip is not a concept render. You can see the live captions arriving, the Excalidraw canvas changing, and the presenter showing both hands while the board keeps updating. The open source project is called autopreso. The repo describes it as real-time speech to presentation. It runs a local web app, listens to your mic, turns speech into transcript chunks, sends those chunks to an agent, and lets the agent edit a live Excalidraw scene. That is the promise we are testing in this video. Can a voice model plus a fast agent become a live presentation operator, not just a chatbot?
Here is real-time speech to presentation. This entire whiteboard is being generated in real time based on what I'm talking about right now. See, both of my hands are here. I'm not controlling the whiteboard. The whiteboard is kind of whiteboarding itself. What is happening here is that my voice goes into the microphone and it gets sent to the GPT real-time whisper model. It then sends back some chunks of transcript in real time. And the text chunks then get sent to an agent powered by GPT 5.5 in fast mode, which is quite fast but still has some delay. And it uses tool calls to then manipulate this whiteboard to best visualize the ideas that I'm talking about right now. I can ask it to do various kind of things, like draw these diagrams. I can ask it to draw charts as well. So let's maybe try adding a column chart where 52.8 is taller than 69.1. You can see these latest models, they are really quite powerful right now. They have reached a new level of latency and intelligence combo. I think something like this can be really useful for presentations, brainstorming, or live streaming, right? And I'm pretty sure a lot more things can be built. I just open sourced this autopreso on my GitHub, so feel free to give it a try and let me know what you think.
The architecture is refreshingly direct. First, browser audio comes from the microphone at 24 kHz. Then speech goes into a transcription path. The README supports two routes: OpenAI real-time transcription when you have an API key, or Moonshine as the local transcription sidecar on macOS. Those transcripts are not treated like a final document. They stream as small chunks. The server queues those chunks, gives the agent the current context, and asks it to decide what should be drawn next. The agent can be OpenAI, Codex, or Allama. In the source demo, Kun says GPT 5.5 fast mode is powering the whiteboard agent. In the repository, Codex fast mode is mapped to a priority service tier, while local Allama is also supported. The final step is tool calls. The agent does not merely suggest a diagram. It emits structured drawing operations, and autopreso turns those operations into Excalidraw elements on the canvas. Using it is meant to be lightweight, not an enterprise setup. The README gives two simple paths. You can run npx autopreso or install it globally with npm install-g autopreso, then run autopreso. Once the local server starts, it opens a browser on localhost. The staging mode lets you drop reference material onto the canvas first. That can be a title, agenda, diagram seed, or other notes you want the agent to respect. Then you pick a microphone, transcription provider, and agent model. You can also write agent instructions, like keep the palette tight, prefer drawings over text, or make the layout more visual. When you click Start Preso, the app switches from staging to live mode. The agent warms up on your staged content, listens to the incoming transcript, and starts editing the whiteboard while you talk. The important caveat is cost. Autopreso itself is free and MIT licensed, but that does not make every model path free. The README is clear about this. If you use an OpenAI API key, real-time transcription and agent tokens can cost money. The source code even has a May 2026 rate table for GPT Real-Time Whisper, GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, and the mini variant. If you use Codex, the project treats that as subscription routed instead of per token pricing inside the app. If you use Moonshine for transcription and Allama for the agent, the local provider path displays $0 because the model work is local. Kun also posted a follow-up after people asked about cost. Version 0.1.5 added a real-time cost tracker in the UI, so the app can show session cost instead of surprising you after the demo. This matters because presentations are usually a second job. You have the idea in your head, but then you spend time turning it into boxes, arrows, labels, and charts. Autopreso attacks that gap directly. It lets the speaker stay in flow while the agent handles the visual structure. The demo is early, and the repo warns that autopreso is alpha software. Kun also says the agent is fast, but still has some delay. That limitation is visible in the category itself. Real-time drawing has to balance latency, accuracy, and layout quality. Still, the direction is obvious. For brainstorming, live streaming, lectures, demos, and internal planning, voice-to-canvas is a much more natural interface than voice-to-text. The bigger product insight is that agents become more useful when they manipulate a real workspace, not just a chat window. The repo is public at github.com/kunchen/autopreso, and the package is on NPM as autopreso. If you try it, remember the 3 paths: OpenAI for the easiest hosted setup, Codex if you are already signed in there, and Moonshine plus Alima for the local route. The source links are in the description. The project is early, but the demo is a strong glimpse of where live AI interfaces are going.